How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard Mojitok stickers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, click on Suggest Stickers. After click on Suggest Stickers, you will see Mojitok is here. If you want to turn on Mojitok, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Mojitok is turned on. If you want to turn off Mojitok, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Mojitok is turned off. You will turn on or turn off Mojitok from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard Mojitok stickers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.